I think you may have already seen this from my short video on my channel, which I show you about these amazing Apple Watch watch faces. And you can see we got like some 3D watch face, and then including this one. You can see it is very awesome, and that's why I make a full video for you on how you can get it. First, you need to go ahead and go into your phone and download the app that you need. So this app is free from the App Store, and you can just go ahead and search for live watch faces and this one. And if you cannot find it on the App Store, you need to go ahead and go into the link from my video description and click on that, and then it will redirect you into the App Store. And now let me show you inside the app here. With this app, it offers you a ton of free watch faces. The one that has the lock button on the top, which means that you need to pay, but there are more awesome free watch faces I think that you may like. And now let's go ahead and go into the 3D here. So from 3D you can see most of them are free, like this one that I show you from my short video. And now let me show you on this one, and let's go ahead and get this one. All you have to do, click on the download button here, and then you will see the ad, so you can wait for this to finish. After you close the ad, the watch face will be saved into your camera roll. So I can just go ahead and go back into my camera roll here, and this is the one that we have just saved at the moment. All you have to do, click on the share button and create watch face. Click on the top, and you have two choices. So if you want the clock to be appear at the bottom, just all you have to do, select on this one, and then the clock will be appear at the bottom. Click on add, and now take a look on my watch here, and you can see we got this amazing cube, and I can just put it like that, and now it is animated, so it is very awesome. And I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.